This is how to operate the 6-deck card shuffler by Trademark Games. First, you're going to flip over the card shuffler, insert 4 C batteries, put back on the battery caps, and flip upright. Then you're going to insert the card guard so it aligns with the front tabs of the card shuffler. Then you're going to insert up to 6 decks of playing cards on both sides. After inserting the decks of cards, you're going to press down the black tab. Once the decks have gone through the card shuffler, you then press down on the card guard so it releases from the outside tabs and pull out your shuffle cards.